Good evening, champion families and faculty, and welcome to the 2020 open house here at Cchs High School. Normally, under normal conditions, we would have all of our families and students encouraged to attend a one night in the fall to get better acquainted with what's happening on campus and in the classrooms. We also understand that it's super important that we have a great partnership between our teachers and our parents in order to provide the best support and learning opportunities for our kids. So this year we dive into this process, but we do it digitally. So tonight, what will happen is our families will log into the classes just as our students do every day, and we will hear from our teachers exactly who they are and what is happening in their courses. This time is not to discuss individual grades, but you are encouraged to ask questions. And this should be, if it hasn't already happened, an opportunity for our parents to connect with our teachers and vice versa, to making sure that between school and home, that we are doing everything we can to support learning. As you can see in the schedule, our first breakout session starts at 6 p.m. We have 3 breakout sessions each being 15 minutes, and a 5-minute break in between. This is a great opportunity to learn more about the teacher who is teaching your child, to learn more about the content that is a part of that class, and then also understand the process, procedures, and expectations of that given classroom. While none of us like having an empty campus right now, and we wish that we could welcome all 2,700 of our students back onto campus as soon as possible, we are taking advantage of this opportunity to make some upgrades to our campus, including our freshman house, which every classroom in our freshman house has received new furniture and new learning experiences for our kids in those environments. We also invested in our stadium. Our football, soccer, and track programs will return to a brand new turf field that is being installed and will be finished being installed here this month. It is an exciting time that we get to make these upgrades and make sure that the campus is just as beautiful as it can be for that one day that we get to welcome back all of our students. We're also working on plans for the second term. The announcement's been made that the second term of this school year will follow the same format, or a familiar format from the first term. But we know that needs to come with some modifications, and we need to bolster some experiences for our kids. That needs to be online interventions and supports. That also needs to be some in-person opportunities. We are excited to welcome athletics back here in the next couple weeks, but we also want to make opportunities for clubs and activities to find some safe space on campus so they can have their time to do the things that they enjoy most here at Cchs High School. More information to come about interventions and online and on-campus opportunities over the next couple of weeks, but we are so proud of the job that our faculty has done and our students have done in these really difficult times, full of unknowing and anxiety. So I appreciate everything that our faculty and staff have done to support learning through these troubled times, and also our families and our students that have, overcome barriers and challenges. So parents, I hope you enjoy this evening. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers, the counselors, admin. You can reach out to me anytime you like. You will get contact information for all your teachers as you click through their different teams' pages. But we are so thankful that you partner with us, that you choose Cchs High School. I know that there are a lot of options out there to send your precious child to, and you choose us, and that is a tremendous responsibility that we do not take lightly at Cchs High School. I appreciate you, and I hope that you all have a wonderful evening.